In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite teammates to Asana. This is a really handy skill to have, especially if you're managing projects and want your team to stay in sync. So let's dive right in and make sure everyone's connected and ready to collaborate. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Asana account. Once you're in, head over to the project where you'd like to invite your teammates. If you're new to Asana and unsure about navigating, don't worry. This is all part of getting comfortable with the platform. When you're inside your chosen project, glance over to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled Invite or an icon that looks similar to a person with a plus sign. Click on it. This is your gateway to adding teammates, so it's a spot you'll become familiar with as your projects grow. Upon clicking the Invite button, you'll be prompted to enter the email addresses of the team members you wish to invite. Be precise with these addresses to ensure your invitation reaches the right people. If you're inviting several people, you can enter multiple email addresses here, separated by commas. A little tip: double-check the spelling of any email addresses to avoid sending out multiple invites or missing someone altogether. After you've entered the email addresses, you might see the option to add a personalized message. This step is optional, but adding a brief note is a nice touch. It gives context on why you're inviting them and what they should anticipate. For instance, you might say, "Looking forward to collaborating on this project with you." This can help set the tone and make the invite feel more personal. Once you're ready and happy with your entries, go ahead and click the Send button. Asana will then take care of dispatching those invitations. Now all you have to do is wait for your team members to accept and join. If you're curious about the status of your invitations or need to resend one, just navigate back to the same invite section. Here, Asana keeps track of who has joined and who might need a reminder. This is especially useful for large teams where keeping track manually is not feasible. Finally, remember that inviting a team isn't just about sending an invite. It's about creating a collaborative environment where everyone feels included and informed. Making the effort to help team members get accustomed to the platform and stay engaged will pay off in the long run. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to bring your team into Asana. With everyone on board, you're all set to start collaborating on your projects seamlessly. I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow and encourages teamwork across your projects. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.